Valerie Robertson from the Terrier Stud in Usk, Monmouthshire, and today I've been judging the Section Cs. I wished I'd had about at least 6 first rosettes in some of the classes. They were really, really good. Conformation, outlook, and it's unusual for a 3-year-old to take it, but it was a lovely filly, really nice. Perfect. Lovely front, clean through the throat, nice presentation of the front, not too long in the back, tail set right up, you know, lots of substance, short cannon bones and action. You got the perfect one then. The only thing I was worried about was the heat, and that was true. Someone in the crowd gave me a fan, wasn't that good? Brilliant, absolutely lovely.